Introducing the FORNO 31-inch Milano Espresso bottom freezer refrigerator that seamlessly blends style and functionality. The black finish maintains a modern look effortlessly. Impressive thick professional style door handles. Total frost-free with multi-air flow cooling system that boasts air circulation throughout the appliance. Full-width gallon door storage for easy access of large milk jugs and jars. 4 half-width bins to accommodate items of different sizes. There are 3 customizable glass shelves, allowing you to efficiently utilize space. See-through full-width crisper drawer. Digital touch controls ensures precise temperature settings and real-time monitoring. Features include Super Cool, Eco, Super Freeze and Door Alarm. A generous 17.2 cubic feet capacity providing ample storage space. 2 full-width freezer drawers to optimize organization. This unit is equipped with a factory-installed ice maker that can make about 3.1 pounds of ice daily. 1 drawer can be easily removed. Offers an extra touch of elegance with a supplementary set of stainless steel handles, allowing you to transform the appearance of both your unit and kitchen. Antique brass or stainless steel handles adds personal touch. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every FORNO appliance. FORNO, lower the cost of living.